What up, what up, what up? You already know who it is and who it ain't. Big G in the Hood Chef back out here in the lab. Know what I'm talking about? Finna get to this good sweet potato harvest and cook. Let's indulge. Show y'all something. What that is right there. That is right there. What that is right there. That's just one. Let's see what we got. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take about 3 of our medium sweet potatoes. I did 4 because this one right here kind of small, so I just threw that extra one in there. But it's about 2 pounds, I think. We're gonna take about 3 medium sweet potatoes, and we're gonna roast these boys at 400 for about 45 minutes to an hour. Some people like roasting, some people like boiling. I done did both. I like roasting because they do save a little flavor, but either way, it's great. Let's do it.